Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about the Myro. Now the Myro is a multi-use therapy board. It is comprised of basically this rather large screen on a very adjustable stand. The stand can offer the therapist the ability to have the device go fully vertical or actually quite low. It also has the ability to take this all the way flat or again vertical. The device has multiple objects that come with it as well. So you have a cup, a handle, a ball. You also have a coin. It also works with a stylus, so you can work on handwriting. The device has multiple games, multiple assessments. It is pressure sensitive, touch sensitive, and again, it interacts with all of these objects. The device is also quite friendly in the therapy clinic because it will work with whether physical, occupational, or speech therapists, and it also works quite well in either adult or pediatric. Learn more in our future videos.